Are you ready to make tasty homemade pizza? Let's gather our favorite toppings and start creating. Keep your remote handy so you can pause as you cook. For this recipe, you will need a mixing bowl, a wooden spoon, a mixer with a dough hook or your hands, measuring spoons, measuring cup, bowl cover or plastic wrap, rolling pin, cookie sheet or pizza stone, oven mitts. Are you ready to get started? Here is a list of your ingredients. And these are your directions. Let's walk through each step by step. Before we get started, always remember to cook with an adult and let them handle anything hot. Ask an adult to set the oven to 350 degrees. Grease a cookie sheet or pizza stone with some olive oil. Measure 1 1/2 cups of warm water. Add to a mixing bowl. Measure 2 teaspoons of sugar. Add to a mixing bowl. Measure 2 1/4 teaspoons or 1 packet of active dry yeast or instant yeast. Add to a mixing bowl. Give your warm water, sugar, and yeast a light stir. Measure 3 1/2 to 4 cups flour. Add to a mixing bowl. Measure 2 tablespoons olive oil. Add to a mixing bowl. Measure 2 teaspoons of salt. Add to a mixing bowl. Stir all ingredients well with a wooden spoon or mix in a stand mixer with a dough hook until combined. Knead for 5 minutes using a stand mixer fitted with a dough hook attachment or 6 to 7 minutes by hand until smooth and elastic. Drizzle a clean bowl with olive oil, then place the ball of dough in the bowl. Turn the ball to coat in the oil. Cover with plastic wrap or a clean cloth and let rise for at least 30 minutes, or up to 1.5 hours, until doubled in size. Now you are ready to roll out your dough. On a lightly floured surface, place your ball of dough in the center and dust with a light coat of flour. With a rolling pin, roll the dough into a thin, flat disc. Lightly coat your cookie sheet with olive oil. Transfer your pizza crust to the cookie sheet. After adding your toppings, bake your pizza for about 15 minutes or until the crust is golden and crispy. When the adult is removing the cookie sheet from the oven, they should wear oven mitts. Let your awesome pizza cool slightly before eating. Now, let's talk about some fun toppings ideas. The classic with tomato sauce, mozzarella, and fresh basil. Savory sliced pepperoni. Or fresh meatballs. Hawaiian with tomato sauce, pineapple, and bacon. Vegetable pizza with tomato sauce, red peppers, red onions, tomatoes, zucchini, and mushrooms. Pesto with pesto sauce, mozzarella, ricotta, and you could even add some pine nuts. Chicken bacon ranch with ranch dressing, shredded chicken, shredded cheddar cheese, and bacon. Barbecue with barbecue sauce, diced chicken, diced onions, red peppers, and cilantro. So many choices. Which will you choose? You are ready to bake, slice, and serve. Enjoy your homemade pizza. When cooking, be creative, explore different tastes and smells, all while having fun. Now that you mastered your first pizza, maybe we can make this a family tradition. We can choose a night to be a pizza night. This way we all have something to look forward to. Get everyone involved, friends and family. Assign roles like dough maker, sauce spreader, and topping arranger. Everyone can contribute. Each pizza night, you can explore new recipes. Try different styles like thin crust, deep dish, or even dessert pizzas. You can create your own pizza recipe book. Keep track of your favorite recipes, toppings, and sauces. On pizza nights, you can use fun tablecloths, set the table, or play music to create a festive atmosphere. You can theme your pizza nights like tropical paradise with pineapple or ham pizza, or Italian night with classic toppings. Make extra pizzas to share with neighbors or friends. It's a great way to spread joy and learn about giving. Take fun photos and create a scrapbook of your pizza nights. You could even end the night with a movie together. By making pizza together, you create lasting memories and can savor delicious results. Let's learn some fun facts. Pizza was created in Naples, Italy, in the 18th century. In Naples, pizza emerged as a cheap and easy meal for the working class. Vendors sold flatbreads topped with tomatoes, cheese, and other ingredients. Italian immigrants brought pizza to the United States, where it quickly became popular, especially in cities like New York and Chicago. Today, pizza is enjoyed all over the world, with countless variations and styles. There are many kinds of pizza dough, like thin crust, thick crust, and even whole wheat. The dough is the foundation of the pizza. A good dough makes a delicious crust that holds all the tasty toppings together. A main component of dough is yeast. Yeast is a tiny living organism, kind of like a fungus, that helps make bread and other baked goods rise. It's super important in baking. When you add yeast to dough, it eats sugar from the flour. As yeast eats, it produces gas, carbon dioxide, and alcohol. The gas gets trapped in the dough. This trapped gas makes the dough expand and rise, giving bread and pizza crust a fluffy texture. The process of yeast eating sugar and producing gas is called fermentation, and it's what gives bread its unique flavor and texture. Yeast makes our baked goods light and fluffy. Without it, we'd have dense, flat bread instead of the delicious bread and pizza crust we love. Now, let's go enjoy some pizza. If you want to keep buzzing along with us, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Join our Jilly family and let's explore together. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.